we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. So starting here on the front right wheel, I don't see any curb rash. You're going to have a couple chips here and there, but otherwise in great condition. I do see some little rock impacts and chips here. I do see some water spots, little stains in there, hard water stains. Oh, that looks good. Typical little rock impacts on the side mirror. I see a little scratch there. Got a chip here and a couple imperfections on the A-pillar, all very minor. Looking at that door. Overall looks good. I do see a scratch right here that has been touched up. The blue is off there though. Typical fingernail scratches around that area. You do have PPF down here protecting it. Then looking at this wheel, I do see some very minor rash right here. The rest of that wheel looks good. Quarter panel looks nice. All of that looks good. Here on the front end, you are going to have typical rock impacts and little rock chips. So you're going to see that. You're going to see them on the headlight. See some touch-up spots here. And I see some hard water spots throughout as well. You got a little bit of rash on that splitter. Little rash down here. Got some scratches and chips there. Looking at that fender, see a really light scratch there. The rest of that looks good. A couple scuffs here and there, but overall that wheel looks nice. The door looks good. A couple small impacts there, a couple chips. Overall that A-pillar looks nice. Little fingernail scratches here and there, all very subtle. I see a couple scuffs here, a couple touch-up spots. Got PPF there protecting that section. You're going to see some hard water stains there. You're going to see them throughout the body as well. Looking at this wheel, you do have a couple scuffs and chips. That taillight looks good. That taillight looks nice. I do see some rash right here on that plastic. That side looks good. A couple small scuffs here. And then you're going to see the hard water stains on this deck lid. Then the engine bay is nice and clean. That looks awesome. All of this looks good. You do have a cover as well, and it is power. All right, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker. Looking at that door panel, overall in great condition. I do see a couple markings here, a little bit of wear on the handle. The seats are memory. Got the power folding side mirrors. Looking at that trim, you can see a couple tiny scuffs. The floor mat looks good. That bolster looks really nice. Very little wear. These are like a really dark brown leather. They look awesome. A couple tiny scuffs on the steering wheel here and there. Overall though, in great condition. Those buttons look good. 73,418 miles. You would never know that by the interior quality here and how clean it is. All of this looks good. And then looking at this trim, you can see it has delaminated, so you're gonna have those little spider cracks all throughout. All of that looks good. Now that I'm in the car, I do see some minor flaws there on the corner. The rest of that screen looks good. It's just right there though. Here on the front right door panel, tiny little scuff there. You got the memory seating. That handle and armrests are super clean, as well as the bottom. Kick plate area looks good. Floor mats are clean. Overall, that bolster looks amazing. Same here. Beautiful color seats. This side of the console looks nice. All that plastic is in great condition. A couple little markings here. Underside looks nice. Upper side of the dash looks good. Beautiful panoramic roof, goes all the way there to the back. That panel looks good. That trim is clean. Seat backs look awesome. These seats look amazing. All of that's in great condition, and they are heated. And check that out, that looks good. Okay, we're going on a quick test drive. The car has 73,418 miles on it. I do hear a little creaking every once in a while in that panoramic roof. It was just when I was exiting there. That steering wheel is perfectly straight. It doesn't have any type of shimmy to it. I love how these cars drive. Gonna hit the bumps here. Heard one tiny creak from that panoramic roof. I'm gonna hit the brakes kind of hard here. They're solid. You don't have any type of shimmy in the wheel when you apply the brakes. And I do hear a little creaking from the driver door somewhere as well, just on that turn there. Other than that, this drives amazing. Has plenty of power.